Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a very short review. I am reviewing the Febreze Air Fresh Twist Cranberry Spray. Eliminates tough lingering odors. So I know a lot of you have seen this in your local stores. 100% natural propellant. It has a trademark odor clear. I don't know what that's about, but it smells good. Febreze odor eliminating technologies. So my mom buys this. She brought me one. It was my first time trying this one because not a lot, but some of the Febreze, I am allergic to some of them. This one I'm not allergic to at all. And that cranberry smells great. And you take it and you spray it all over. And it smells so good. To me, it has a smell of, the cranberry juice that you buy? It smells just like that. It is great for your bathroom. It is great for your kitchens, bedrooms, all over your house. Make sure that you go to your local CVS. Any of your local supermarkets should carry it. And go get you some of this because it's really good. It's 8.8 ounces. And it's a great air freshener. It doesn't affect my nose and make me feel like I'm going to sneeze and stuff like that. And that's a big plus because, as you guys know, I am allergic to a lot of things, but not this one. So that is my review of the Febreze Air Fresh Twist Cranberry.